So day 6 update, everything going really well. So after my baby shampoo of my hair this morning, a lot of these scabs started to come loose and some of them are coming off now. See if you can see there, little round dots. And also I can feel when I rub my fingers across the top that there's actually all new hairs starting to grow there, which is pretty cool. So they will, I've been told, grow through and then they'll actually fall out and most likely fall out and shed before they grow their final hair, which will be sort of the 6 to 12 months mark. I'll be looking really good in the front there. And the back seems to be healing up really nicely now. I don't seem to have too many scabs left, just a couple of the bigger ones, which are still just coming off now. So that's all coming up really good. My hair seems to be growing quite quickly. But all going well. Sort of admiring what my new hairline will look like. So very, very excited.